Hello everybody, this is Chef Celeste. Today I'm sharing the finishing touches on the tiramisu I made. Here I'm dusting on cocoa powder, ending the process with some grated dark chocolate. There you have it, tiramisu, filled with my very rich custard flavored with homemade vanilla extract and Grand Marnier. Now, off to the taste test. And this is Sarah trying the Heavenly Plates tiramisu.
So creamy, and the ladyfingers are just like, oh, so decadent. Oh yeah.
Do you have any flavors that's standing out particularly?
The coffee and the chocolate are like super friends.
Okay.
And they're rolling around with cream and having a heyday. That's what's going on. It's a party in my mouth. Or an Italian party. But the cream is the best part, I think.
Thank you.
Perfetto. Molto bene. That is amazing. Thank you, Chef Celeste. You're the best. Mwah.